तो जब एथिक्स की क्लासेस करते थे तभी मतलब बैक ऑफ द माइंड था कि नहीं, आई हैव टू डू इट। और मतलब एथिक्स तो ये था कि हुआ तो आपकी वजह से ही। मेंस लिखते ही सर आई न्यू कि इट वेंट गुड, तो सर आई मैसेज्ड यू एंड आई मीन द स्कोर सेज इट ऑल।
Personal mentorship was quite helpful, and it was quite motivating as well. And even in the mains test series, I think it was a quite close group where the interaction was of a very good level, and sir could personally interact with everyone.
Even your mains test series was helpful. It was life saving for me, to be honest. I think if I was not a part of the mains test series at that point in my life, I don't think I would have been able to even continue preparation, let alone appear in the prelims.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Elite Academy, and today we are going to discuss one of the most important aspect of your preparation without which you cannot get into the holy list, that is our answer writing. And if we talk about answer writing, already we have come up with lot of videos where we have discussed कि टॉपर्स के आंसर्स में क्या होना चाहिए, आपको आंसर्स कैसे लिखने चाहिए, इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे लिखना चाहिए. So all those videos are already there on our platform. But today we are going to talk about a very fundamental and basic question: why do students fear answer writing? And this is something I wanted to talk about because nowadays I'm having interaction at our offline center because mains period is going on and many of these students are gearing up for the mains 2025 as well. So there I found some common issues जो हर student the aspirants are facing and why they are not able to kick a start, or if they are doing answer writing, why they are not able to sustain. So let's understand what are the issues which are holding you back, right? So these are the issues because of which the aspirants, the students, they don't feel like starting the answer writing और कहीं ना कहीं वो stuck होते हैं. Starting with the first point, they aim perfection. We aim perfection. The day I am ready with my mains content, that day I will write. The day I know everything about answer writing, introduction, body, conclusion, हर दो चार टॉपर्स की strategy देख के, books पढ़ के, that day I will write the answers. So aiming perfection is a myth. You should not aim it. You should start with your baby steps. Take the first step and then you graduate. Then you excel. You first try to find out whether you are able to move your pen or not, whether you are able to sync your thoughts with your pen or not, whether you are able to put your thoughts on the paper. जो भी आपने पढ़ा है, be it the static portion or the current affairs portion, are you able to think according to the demand of the question or not? Or take the first step, start thinking, forget about writing, start thinking, brainstorming करना शुरू करिए. So if you are aiming perfection, definitely because of that, we don't kick a start. और परफेक्शन करना मिथ है इस प्रिपरेशन में, या कभी भी आपको इवन लाइफ में भी परफेक्शन एम नहीं करना चाहिए. टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेकंड पॉइंट, दैट इज लैक ऑफ सफिशिएंट कंटेंट. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ एस्पिरेंट्स. जिन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई नहीं की है, you have yet not completed your standard books, your basics, and you start answer writing and then you feel, sir, I am unable to write the answer. Definitely you won't have that content to write the answer. That is one category. The other category of students, they feel the day I will read everything, that day only I should start. कुछ तो हैं कि बिना पढ़े ही स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, और कुछ एक दूसरी कैटेगरी है जो पूरा इंतजार करते हैं कि the day I will complete everything, that day only I will write because I don't have content. There is lack of sufficient content to write, so let me read everything first. By the time you read subject A, subject B, subject C, तब तक आपको subject A ही भूल जाता है. ठीक है, तो आपका कंटेंट जो है एक साइकिल में फंसे हो, कंटेंट कभी आपका रेडी ही नहीं हो पाता. टॉकिंग अबाउट द थर्ड वन, पुअर कवरेज ऑफ द सिलेबस. यू हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड द सिलेबस, बी इट ऑफ योर ऑप्शनल्स, बी इट ऑफ योर जीएस 1 2 3 4. जब आपका सिलेबस ही नहीं कवर किया है आपने, देन हाउ विल यू डेवलप इंटरलिंकिंग? हाउ विल यू डेवलप द आर्ट ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग, थिंकिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस? वो डायमेंशंस आप जनरेट ही नहीं कर पाओगे बिकॉज यू हैव ओनली रेड हिस्ट्री. यू डोंट नो अबाउट सिक्योरिटी, यू डोंट नो अबाउट एनवायरमेंट, यू डोंट नो अबाउट द एथिकल डायमेंशन ऑफ द इशू, और you don't know about the current affairs dimension of the issue. So the coverage of syllabus, if you are not doing properly, then you won't be able to write the answers. It doesn't mean कि आपको syllabus पूरा cover करके ही start करना है. वो भी perfection या वो भी जो second point में हमने बोला वैसा भी आपको नहीं करना है. So you read something, refer the previous year questions, and try to understand that what kind of question UPSC is asking on that, and try to collate your points. Try to think, okay, if I write this answer based on the present content, what all I can write. So that way you will start triggering your thought process, and that way you should attempt answer writing. So एक ये fear of English to write. The students, all those students who are going to aim this exam and write this exam in English medium, I am telling this point for them. कि जब आपको ये रहता है कि yes I have to write in English medium but my English is not good, I don't have good vocabulary, I don't have good writing skills, I have not read English till my class 12th, I have read English only in graduation, that's why I can't write the answer. So that fear of having proper English or knowing English or expressing yourself in English is also holding the students, aspirants back from answer writing. This is one of the most common fear which we have found. Start with the prelim cycle. Trust me if I tell you that I have met many students who are there in this prelim cycle, who are stuck in this prelim cycle from last 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 7. And they have not read their optional, they have not read their mains because they are stuck. एक बार प्रीलिम्स नहीं हो रहा है, फिर अगली बार प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, टेंशन में आ रहे हैं, डिप्रेशन में आ रहे हैं, फिर प्रीलिम्स की साइकिल स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. So we have seen people who are stuck with the prelim cycle and they are not able to kick start their mains preparation. उल्टा आप करो, आप मेंस की प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी करो, प्रीलिम्स भी निकलेगा आपका. We have seen that if you have thoroughly prepared for mains, then it helps you in your prelims analysis, coverage. आपकी wide reading होती है, coverage अच्छा होता है और तब आप questions को और ज़्यादा अच्छे से attempt कर पाते हो. Lack of guidance. Again, there are two categories of student. एक student है जो उस कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करता है कि वो आंसर लिखता है बट किसी के पास गाइडेंस के लिए नहीं जाता है. वो खुद लिखता है, खुद इवैल्यूएट करने की कोशिश करता है. दे थिंक दैट दे हैव रिटन गुड और दे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द आर्ट ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग ऑन देयर ओन. गूगल करेंगे, यूट्यूब करेंगे एंड दे रेस्ट्रिक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम सीकिंग एनी गाइडेंस. अदर कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो लिखते तो हैं, टेस्ट सीरीज भी ज्वाइन करते हैं. ये जितने पॉपुलर इंस्टीट्यूट्स की टेस्ट सीरीज है सब ज्वाइन करेंगे वो, बट या तो उनको वहां से कोई गाइडेंस नहीं मिलती है और वॉट एवर गाइडेंस दे आर गेटिंग दे आर नॉट एबल टू इनकॉर्पोरेट बिकॉज दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट. कि उनको क्या फीडबैक मिला है. समटाइम्स द इवैल्यूएशन विल बी डन, वी नो हाउ इट इज डन, गुड, राइट, मोर. तो आपको जो प्रॉपर फीडबैक है वो फीडबैक ही नहीं मिल पाता है. सो यू आर राइटिंग बट यू डोंट नो दैट फ्रॉम वेयर टू गेट द फीडबैक एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक विल बी इफेक्टिव फॉर यू according to your stage. So these are the 6 issues which we have identified and we have found these are the common issues. I am very sure that you can also relate to it, and if you are lying somewhere in this, if you can correlate with any point, then I must tell you that you take your baby step, start with the first step. किसी perfect time, perfect scenario का wait नहीं करना है. Let me also share this. Already हमारी जो 2024 की टेस्ट सीरीज है that is going on. We have 2 months. September में एग्जाम है, that is going on. But we have also started our 2025 mains test series. It is a 7 months long test series where we focus on daily answer writing, where we focus on brainstorming. Already we have recorded a video. You already have a video about the features. You can have a look. But the experience, let me share this experience with all of you. अभी इसी week हमने शुरू किया है. And the students have started getting maturity. What is answer writing? How to think? How to generate points? Sometimes even when you don't have sufficient content, then how to generate points? So take your step, the first step, the baby steps. Then only you can graduate. Then only you can think of excelling at answer writing. पहला कदम नहीं उठाओगे तो फिर मंजिल तक पहुंचने की इच्छा भी नहीं रखनी चाहिए. So if you want to reach your goal, then definitely answer writing is your path. Answer writing is one of the crucial way. It is the important tool. If you cannot hone this, forget about qualifying this IAS exam, right? So take charge of it and let me offer this help to all of you. If you feel that you write good answers, if you feel that you are writing answers and you are not getting feedback, then in the description box we have given our number. Do share your answers with us. We will be able to help you. We will be able to give you feedback. Okay, what kind of answers you have written, what is your level, what is your standard, and accordingly what you should do. So do share your answers. We will help you. And if you are here offline in Bangalore, then do visit our center in Chandra Layout. We will be able to help you. We will be able to analyze your answers, your preparation level. And many students are coming. Daily we are meeting. Daily we are discussing their problems and issues related to answer writing and other aspects of preparation. So you are also invited. be it online or offline, you are invited. So take charge of your preparation, don't waste your time, and come out of these, resolve these issues. Okay, so see you all either at offline center or online. See you, bye bye.